A moment to sit back and relax, or a joyful gathering with friends and family? No matter the occasion, IKEA know how important the sofa is for a living room. IKEA sofas come in a wide range of materials, shapes, sizes, styles, and price tags. And here is our best pick for best IKEA sofa to buy. 1. Valentuna. 4-seat modular sofa with 3 sofa beds. 1 sofa, lots of possibilities. In need of extra beds, smart storage, or a comfy reading corner? No problem. Just choose the modules you like, combine them as you want, and change when you feel like it. 2. Landscarona 3-seat sofa. Warm and welcoming, neat and stylish. The supporting seat cushions, the cover's soft finish, and the tight fit gives this sofa a perfect balance between its comfort, functions, and look. 3. Vimley Corner Sofa Bed 5-seat. The Vimley Sofa series has sections that can be combined as you like into a customized solution for you and your home. This one has a sofa bed which is super easy to convert with a thick, cozy mattress. 4. Lidhult Corner Sofa Bed 6-seat. Spoil your overnight guest. Lidhult Sofa Bed is designed for maximum comfort, both for relaxing with friends and for them to sleep on if they stay overnight. Embracing, inviting, and generous. 5. Kivik Corner Sofa. Cuddle up in the soft comfort of Kivik Sofa. The generous size, low armrests, and memory foam that adapt to the contours of your body invite you to spend many hours of naps, socializing, and relaxation. 6. Gronlid Corner Sofa 5-seat with Chase Lounge. Snuggle up, feel warmly embraced, and enjoy cozy nights and lazy days. This sofa is extra deep, has soft and movable back cushions, and comes in various sizes and shapes. Everything for your comfort. 7. Float Bow Sofa Bed with Side Table. Watch movies or talk to a friend. Read a book or take a break with your family. Email or sleep. Here's a space for everything in your life. Movable cushions make the sofa comfy for sitting and lying down. 8. Freyton Corner Sofa Bed with Storage. After a good night's sleep, you can effortlessly convert your bedroom or guest room into a living room again. The built-in storage is easy to access and spacious enough to stow bedding, books, and PJs. 9. Soderham Corner Sofa 4-seat with open end. If you like the way it looks, you have to try it. The deep seats, movable back cushions, and suspension fabric make this seating very comfortable. Create your own combination, sit back, and relax. 10. Gravviken 3-seat sofa bed. Readily converts into a bed. The storage space under the seat has room for bed linen or other things. Fixed cover. 11. Sandbakken Corner Sofa Bed. This sofa bed has soft back cushions and a resilient seat with elastic foam that allows you to both sit and sleep comfortably. At bedtime, it quickly converts from sofa to comfy bed. 12. Holmsund Corner Sofa Bed. This sofa quickly and easily transforms into a spacious bed and turns the living room into a bedroom. The storage space under the seat is easy to access and has room for bed linens, pillows, and a good book. 13. Bratthult 3-seat sofa. Family party or a weekend by the TV? This sofa is spacious, generous, and stable, while the neat design makes it easy to lift when you want to refurnish, clean, or perhaps move to a new home.